Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and I'm excited because we're back yet again for our technical exercise series. We are book 1, group 2. This is exercise 9. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share my videos with all your friends and families. Okay. So today we're going to be back in C position, not moving around today. We're staying still. We're going to be playing 16th notes again, which we've done before. In this group, we've had it in, I believe it was exercise 3, and we also had some 16th notes back in group 1. So you should be familiar with those, remembering that a 16th note gets 1/4 of a beat. And as I said before, both hands are going to stay in C position. Let's look at the right hand first. I'm going to go through the letter names and then we'll count it out. We're going to start with 16th notes, playing on C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C for a half note. Then we're going to do that exact same thing again. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C for a half note. Now we got a little bit of a change here, same pattern. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Do that again. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C for a whole note. Okay? That's the right hand. The left hand is also in C position. It's going to start with your pinky on C for a half note like this. 1 E and 2 E and then 16th notes on C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C for a half note. 1 E and 2 E and C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Now to 16th notes. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and C for a whole note, which will feel really long at that speed. That's okay though. All right, so now we're going to put those together. We're going to see how the hands work back and forth. So if you find this hard to put this together, I would just play it really slow until you can coordinate this. Okay, so both hands again in C position. The left hand is going to hold a half note while the right hand does the pattern of 16th notes, and then they're going to switch back and forth like this. So we start with the right hand. I'm going to count it out. 1 E and 2 E and switch. 1 E and 2 E and switch. 1 E and 2 E and switch. 1 E and 2 E. Now they're together. Go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and hold. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now I'm going to play it through as it's to be played when it's mastered. So first time through legato, repeat staccato. Looks like this. One, two, three, staccato. Here we go. There we go. That's a great exercise. Don't forget to still be practicing exercise 1 through 8. If you're doing that, I know you're seeing results. I would love to hear about the progress that you're seeing down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. And I will look forward to seeing you next week with exercise 10. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.